If you really put Christ in your center of your relationship, no, kahit saan pa yan boyfriend, girlfriend, friends, your team, right? Maganda yung flow Maganda yung flow ng relationship nyo kasi andyan yung characteristic ng, is it characteristic? No, it's
The value?
the value
Values.
that the values of that family, of that group is immeasurable sa isa't isa. Yun na, kasi pumapasok na yung respect, andyan yung love, andyan yung understanding, right? Ipapakita sa'yo ni Jesus Christ yun na I understand this person, kaya siya ganyan.
Doon papasok na rin yung forgiveness and grace.
And patience. And patience.
Yung there is healing relationships within the family. Sabi nga doon sa, may notes ako, sorry. Colossians 3:13 sabi, Forgive as the Lord forgave you. Be kind and compassionate to one another. Sabi sa Ephesians 4:32 as well. So, yung kanina, yung forgive as the Lord forgave you, that's Colossians 3:13, no? So, kapag merong grace, merong forgiveness, yung unity ng family, despite imperfections, yung relationship will be intact
Yeah.
Kahit
True.
anong ups and downs pa na, or kahit anong problema pa yan, things will gonna be okay with you guys because the Lord is with you.
Yeah.
Yung forgiveness is within the family. Hindi ko sinasabi, yun nga, babalik na naman tayo dun sa mga violence and all. Pero, you understand what we meant.
Tsaka mahirap talaga. I totally understand. Yung sasabihin, kasi nasasabi niya yan dahil ganyan ka, mabait ako, mabait siya. No, ako na-experience ko yan. My own experience talaga. Pero, ang mali ko, I close my eyes. I walk away. Which is wrong. Hindi na bago yung tao. Right? So, if I have Christ, if I knew Christ before then, I would have said something na, hey, let's go pray. Hey, let's go do this. Let's do that. Right? Kasi kung nagawa ko yon, I might have saved that person.
Yeah.
Right? Hindi galit. Yun yung sinasabi nila na if you have Jesus Christ in your life, you have
More grace.
more grace, and then you're not gonna lean into your own personal
Understanding?
emotions.
Oh, okay.
Right? Ito sinabi ko na ata dun sa episode 2 natin or episode 1. Evil is a master of deceit. Deception. Na kunyari ikaw nadapa ka, nasaktan ka, nagalit ka. Ba't ka magagalit? Nagigis yung parang bakit ka magagalit? It is your own wrongdoing. Hindi ka tumitingin. Pero I'm not saying na yung ibang tao it's on your own fault. No. Yung nararamdaman natin, it's ini-implant na sa atin yan ni Satan Na-implant sa atin yan nung kay Eve pa lang. Diba? Sinabi ko na sa inyo to dun sa life group namin, sa community namin na simulat sa pool pa lang kay Adam and Eve. Jealous na si Satan sa atin sabi niya, sige nga, try ko nga kasi di ba tayo, we were made an image of God. So, tinas niya. We've fallen short. Di ba? Kumain ng mansana.
Mansanas.
And then, nagsunod-sunod na, lumaki na. Anong ginawa ni God? Kahit ayaw niyang gawin, cleanse niya yung earth. Anong ginawa? Great flood. Right? Pero may sinave siya kasi sobrang mahal niya May sinave pa rin siya. Sabi niya, sige, sisave ko si
Noah.
Noah.
At ang pamilya niya.
'Di ba? At saka yung may mga hayop, 'di ba? Sabi niya, may sisave pa rin ako kahit. Oh, yun yung natira. Nag-expand ngayon doon. Pero, ano nangyari? We still fallen short. Di ba? Nagkaroon pa rin ng masasamang gawain ng tao noon.
Marami pa ring scenes.
Yeah. And then, until such time, kasi, di ba, sobrang mahal nga tayo ni God na ngayon pinadala niya na yung anak niya to cleanse us.
Yeah, agree.
Di ba? Yung pinadala niya na si Jesus Christ just for us to be righteous
Again.
di ba? Kaya nga if you have tried everything, try to lean into Jesus Christ or God. Try to lean into the Bible. Kasi He will give you answers dun sa agony na nararamdaman nyo. Your agony.
Yeah.
Yung nararamdaman yung frustration, patience.
Yes.
Impatient, yung pag-anger, yung hurtful. Turn onto the Bible. You will find the answer and you will find peace. Right?